This is one of my Amazon accounts, and it did over $60 million in the last 6 years. I couldn't pull up the reports from Amazon because it only goes back 2 years, but I was able to use one of our accounting softwares to pull up our sales since 2018. Now that's when we opened this account, and we have multiple accounts. Now what's more amazing, the fact that we did over $13 million in gross profit, or that we spent $6 million in ad spend to make it happen? I'm gonna be doing some workshops in person in Las Vegas and in Seattle during Alibaba's Co-Create and during Amazon's Accelerate. If you want to sit down and allow me to help you work in your business, look at your ads, look at your products, give you one-on-one advice during this workshop where I will go around and work with you. We limit it to a very few number of people that can be in that workshop. Then please sign up below. If you can't make it to Las Vegas or to Seattle, you have to join the Inner Circle. That's our mastermind and college level course where I have helped hundreds, literally hundreds of people create multi-million-dollar businesses and become millionaires. We have over 1,000 members in the Inner Circle, and over 400 are doing over $1 million a year in sales. The formula, the SOPs, the systems that we teach are repeatable. We make decisions based in data. That's why we created our own software called DataDive. If you're interested in starting an Amazon business and starting your own brand and figuring out what to sell, how to sell it, how to beat the current sellers, how to use data to make decisions, there's no better place for you. I'll see you in either Las Vegas or in Seattle, or I'll see you in the Inner Circle.